Hello! Welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today the stars have aligned. Oh yes, this is one of my favorite do-it-yourself projects I have ever done. And the beauty is it only costs $2 to make. $2! Now that's what I'm talking about. And it can be a decoration, it could be 4th of July, Americana, or any other thing in between. It could be a kitchen gadget. What could this be that I'm talking about? Well, you're gonna find out. Let's have some fun. Okay, this star that we're gonna make, you use clothespins. I picked this package up from the Dollar Tree. I actually got 2 of them. That's why this costs $2. And what you do is you take the clothespins apart and glue them together. You just turn them the opposite direction of what they were as far as a clothespin. And that is how you make the little legs to the stars. Now, once you get those all glued together, then you glue the stars legs to each other. Now, I like to use hot glue, but it would be a good idea to put a little bit of wood glue in between there to hold it tight so it'll be stronger, depending on how you're going to use it. If you're just using it for a wall decoration, it'll be strong enough. But if you're going to be using it for a pot holder, which I do, you're going to want a little extra super glue, wood glue, or something else in there to piece it together. Okay, now, this comes together so fast. This is a craft you can make in 5 minutes. And I love 5-minute crafts. And I love the idea of using this as gifts. I'm actually making this for a 4th of July gift to give away, just as a party gift. Now, after you get that all glued together in a circle, you can spray paint whatever color you'd like. I've done pink, white, blue, silver, gold, you name it. I've done just about every single color. And I've actually painted some on one side one color and on the other side another color so that they're reversible. Now, if you don't have spray paint or you don't want to work with spray paint, you can just paint any kind of paint right onto this wood. It just loves to get painted. So I'm just using some unicorn spit on this one because I had the color of red that I wanted. And it goes pretty fast too. It's not as fast as spray paint, but it does go pretty fast. The only problem with using unicorn spit, if you're going to use it for a pot holder, you do need to add some polyurethane after it's dried just to seal it. But if you're using spray paint, that's all it needs. And I've picked up some different kinds of spray paints over the years, so I just use what I have. And that is how we make our cute little pot holder. Isn't that great? And I was thinking, you know, I don't want to have to fill up my drawers in my kitchen using these cute things. I want to use them kind of as a decoration in my kitchen. And you could do different colors to match your kitchen. So the one thing that I decided was I would stack mine together right on top of each other because I like having 3 of them, and then put my banana holder right over it. And there, it's not taking up any extra space in my kitchen. The other thing that you can do is just add some gems or some mirrors or whatever to it to jazz it up, and you can turn it into a wall hanging. And you could actually change the colors based on every holiday. So it can be Americana, or you could switch it out for fall decor, or whatever color suits your fancy. And that's all there is to it. Look how fun it is. Oh, I love this. So fun. And that is my 4th of July Americana or anything goes craft in 5 minutes or less for $2 or less. So there you go. Oh my stars. That's all I can say. It's so fast, so easy, so fun, so many things you can do. And all the stars aligned perfectly for this one. Anyone can make it. It's so easy. So don't forget to subscribe. I've got more where that came from. So I'll see you on the other side.